This is our mechanical puzzle box. This is entirely made from wood and MDF boards. You can see there is a small handle that I made from copper wire. Also these designs and pillars, these hinges are also made from wood. The front looks something like this. There are 9 knobs. You can see these knobs can be rotated in a specific way that one after one the knobs will get rotated and the central knob will finally gets free and it will open the lock mechanism. Now you can see this is locked now. In the front you will find 2 flower petal like designs. When we will rotate in them in a specific position, the lock will get released and the box will get open. Okay, you can see there is a gear mechanism in the top. Here you can see if we remove the central knob, the gear mechanism will push and pull the pins here. After opening, we can see plenty of space inside where you can put anything you want. If we look closely in the front, there you can see a gear and 2 strips. If we rotate this, you see the parts are moving. There is a 2 lock mechanism. One is at the top, one is at the bottom. If we rotate the 2 petals, the lock will move. You can notice there is a metal rod and one is at the top cover. Once it is moved in the same position, it will lock and it will hold and lock the front mechanism. So that's it. This is the puzzle box. Thank you for watching.